Hey everybody, thank you so much for signing up to the free course. This is the first iteration of my free course for my email list, right? So there's going to be mistakes, there's going to be things that I need to improve on, but I just have a real focus on helping people. And I want to help people tell better stories. I want to help people email marketing, with email marketing. I want to help them do it better. I want to help people use copywriting to make more sales. And I'm a little bit weird, okay? I don't do things the normal way, right? But I'm just focused on getting you the answer when you need the answer. So that's why I have the free group, and that's why I have the paid calls where you can get the answers even better. And that's why I have, the do it for you on Zoom for $5,800, right? So I just really love helping people. But I have my quirks and weirdness where I'm too focused on helping people that I forget to do the stuff that gets the people here. So here's my first email course video. Below this video, you'll see a buy button where you can head over to the buy page and actually join. And I know I'm supposed to be telling a story right now, but I also just need to get it done because the next version will be so much better. So this is the outline of my course right here. So I'm going to just dive into pillar 1 right now. Introduction to freelance copywriting. What is freelance copywriting? There's no history, so forget that. Just introduction. So I'm editing live as we speak. This is from ChatGPT, but sometimes ChatGPT, I want to have, a fight with it because it doesn't really speak the way normal humans speak. So I'll go into my story. So my story, I struggled for a long time. I lived in Tijuana in my truck, basically, for a few months, which was crazy. But the whole time I was trying to get this digital marketing thing all the way, figured out. I did have one major success. I got a $4,000 check for writing someone's blog posts and rewriting their homepage and their About Us page, right? That was great. That made them a lot of sales. That's what freelance copywriting is. It's going around helping people tell their story when they can't seem to tell their story. So the secret of freelance copywriting basically is just that. You got to tell someone's story, pull it out of them, their before and their after. So everyone has a before, a current situation, and a desired situation. So the way to sell something is you empathize with the audience and show them your before situation and how you got to your desired situation, right? So there's no market research. I hate market research. Forget that. Let's make that number 2. So, okay, essential skills, writing skills, research skills, and understanding clients' needs, right? The client doesn't even understand their needs half the time, so you got to remove that out of there. You don't really need writing skills. That's kind of, I got F in English all my life. I failed at English class because I was really just there to show up and to ask questions. I wasn't there to do the nonsense homework. So you really don't need, you really just need research skills and storytelling. And honestly, the most important thing in this business and any business is your interpersonal skills. So your people skills. Can't be scared of people. You got to show up. You gotta kind of, show them what they're not seeing, and you got to be a little bit tough sometimes. So that's, it doesn't really work if you're going to, let them lead the way. They don't know what they need. They're struggling. You got to help them. You got to show them exactly what they need so that way they can get the result and push forward and, get where they need to go. So, in this video, this is just what I want to talk about and how I want to help you. I hope this helped in some ways because it actually helped me a lot. So, if you want to check out more, there's the link in the bio or the link below the video. Click that. You'll go over to a sales page or you'll go over to the order page. I don't know because I'm still making it. I've just been spending so much time helping other people make their things that I forgot to do my own thing. So see you tomorrow in tomorrow's video.